Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and share this video. We're going to go ahead and jump into it today. What our episode is all about. The title of this episode is Cherry Picking for Top Dasher, Part 1, and I will be doing also a Part 2. You know, when I did the Journey Day for Top Dasher, this is going to be that series and my quest for Top Dasher. We talked about my case study that I've been doing for this whole entire year, and we want to be able to have that experience that we can share with you. A lot of people, a lot of drivers, a lot of content creators talks about market dependent, but we don't put enough emphasis on individual dependent, because of your knowledge and your decision making plays an important factor on how you are able to make the right decisions for better opportunities to maximize your earnings and also gain profit. So in the month of August, we went ahead and said, okay, we're going to get ready to strive for Top Dasher, because we did all the case study research that we could do with Doordash multi-apping strategies and how imperative customer ratings were, on-time ratings were, completion ratings. We had did all of the survey, all the research on that thus far. We got a lot of people coming in now, probably dashers or stuff like that. So my thing is, we went in different markets, went in different zones, and we went to find out what was actually going on. And I want to be able to share a lot of this with you at the end of the year. I'm not going to share all of it with you, not all of it, but we will share some of it with you. Okay, so I showed in that episode what my percentile was on my ratings. It was 40% AR, 98% completion rating, 90.68 on time, and it was 4.91. So I did take screenshots of my progress, and then I accidentally locked my phone. I had to reset everything, reset my phone, the Roll 5 phone, this phone right here. I lost a lot of that data. I lost a lot of that information. So we got at 65 percentile for the AR rating on the 31st of August. I had 100 percentile on completion rating. Customer rating at that time was, I think, still 4.91. So on that day of the 31st of August, I did 15 orders in a row without declining, but my percentage didn't go up. And I'm like, something not right about that, something is strange about that. Throughout the course of the day, my numbers should have went up. At the end of the day, still didn't go up. I end my shift around about 8:30, somewhere in between there. Then after I did that, I looked at it again at 11:59. It didn't change. And 12 hours later, ladies and gentlemen, it changed from 65% to 75%. I'm like, wait a minute, what's just happened here? And then between those times, during my shift, I was calling Doordash, trying to call Doordash. They wouldn't answer the phone. It was like, okay, you got to be on active delivery in order to make that phone call. And then when I was on active delivery, I still wasn't getting through. I said, something not right about that picture. Something is very strange going on. And I believe I'm about to get bamboozled, a hoodwink out of getting them numbers. So after the next day, the numbers showed up. I was like, man, maybe, I'm in. Second day went by, I'm still not in. A week later, I'm still not in. So I understood then that I just didn't get in because it might have been an oversaturation of everybody trying to become top dash. And I was like, wow, that's crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, I used to get, and this was an average, because sometimes I'll get more than that number on large orders. I was averaging 3 large orders a day, 5 days a week. That's 15. That's 15 large orders. So anywhere between 12 and 15 orders a week was what I was getting as a cherry picker with my AR percentage down. But a change took place, ladies and gentlemen, and I noticed that change drastically in the month of September. You know, let me see, can I find some numbers? I would have to go to Google. And I'm right now on a current delivery. This delivery here that I'm doing right now, it was a large order. I was 4 miles away. I was at another hot spot, and I realized, I said, man, they're not going to start doing anything until a certain time. And as I was leaving from there, I got this order here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. There it is right there. From Gus's. World famous fried chicken. So it was 17 items, $180. $17.75 was the initial offer. Once again, I'm gonna repeat, the initial offer was $11.75. Okay, so if I get a $20 tip off of that, that will put it at $31.75. If I get a $15 tip, it will put it at $26.75. So I got to take a catering bag and all of that in. Since I've been doing it, this month became the top dasher, which I'll show in the next episode. Part 2 to this. I noticed a change there, but we're not going to talk about the change of this month. We're going to talk about the change that happened in September. My numbers dropped drastically, ladies and gentlemen, and I was bamboozled by it. I was like, no, this can't be happening. It can't be happening this way. But it was. And I'm trying to see, can I find them numbers? And I can't find, hold on. Let's see. No, that's not that. That's in. I can't find them. I may have to show them in the next episode. I should have had that already ready to be showed. I got to go through too much to look for it now. But my numbers dropped drastically from making anywhere between 700 to 1,100 a week, just doing Doordash only, to the numbers. Probably my highest was maybe 400 a week in the month of September. And I was like, wow, I can't believe this is actually happening to me. That is my experience. I doubt I even have it on this one. It may be on my tablet. Let's see. Yeah, that's where is that. I had to pull them up later. Like I said, the next episode, I should have had it ready for this one. I'm going to get ready and go in here and get this one. And I'll be probably hitting pause and resume play. Then once I get to the destination spot, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you the total payout on it. But yeah, my worst numbers of the year happened in the month of September. After the change took place, the update took place, and I told you that I would be cherry picking my way to top dasher. That's exactly what I did. Yeah, I had to receive some bad offers, but I didn't receive all bad offers. I cherry picked my way of which bad offers that I would take and would not take. And I just want to let you know that I did succeed, and I'll be telling it in part 2. And this is October the 3rd, because I'm putting this video out late, that I did make it as a cherry picker, becoming a top dasher. So I'm gonna hit pause and resume play, get it ready to check on this large order that I'm doing. Thank you for your patience. All right, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, this is a ride along, a partial ride along. You know, I was at Gus. Now I'm getting ready to drop it. I need to get up in here because the ambulance coming in here right now. See, that's the kind of stuff we got to go through. And I know he's coming right in behind me. And hopefully he went in on that other end. You know, so. Alright. It's telling me to keep straight. Alright. Ambulance interest only. He right in behind me, like I said. There. Okay. Alright. According to this. Alright, what is it telling me? Not supposed to be built. Let me roll the windows up. They doing their thing.
Additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
It's telling me, what is it, no parking, no smoking, because I'm going to park if they let me get away with it. Yeah, I'm going to park right here. See, this the part of the show I did not want. Let me back it back. He's there behind me a little bit. Let's see. See, that's the reason why. There we go. All right. Instructions. Okay, 220. I'm gonna hit pause and resume play. It's not cutting and editing. This is just what I do. You know, gonna go ahead and do this right now. I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. I always put my catering bags inside each other once I complete the job. Now, let's see. That was the amount. I couldn't even get a chance to show you. I got to hit that quick. But I made a total of $38.25 on that delivery. As I was turning it around to show you, I had got another hit. We can go on and take care of this one too, since we're working within the algorithm. Thank you for having the opportunity to watch my videos out of your busy schedule, out of your busy time. Take care and you have a good one. We will be coming out with part 2 of cherry picking for Top Dasher, and I'll continue on explaining my story and show evidence of the different experiences that I'm having now since I became a Top Dasher with these programs. Peace, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.